Hello students, let's study about fiber to fabric, in which we are studying about history of clothing material. History of clothing material, it will cover about these topics, that is what was worn by men and women in the ancient times. Okay, so you should know about these ancient times, what people used to wear. So what happened in the early civilizations, that is in the Stone Age. First we should talk about the Stone Age. That time animal skin, fur, all this was used by the ancient man, and even they used to use the leaves of the trees, they used to use the bark of the trees for wearing. But later on, when agricultural communities were formed, that is people started living together in the near the rivers, like near the Nile river in Egypt and near the Ganges river, that is plains of Ganges river in India, that is in the Harappan civilization and Indus Valley civilization. Then what happened? The weaving of twigs and grasses were done by the people. People started weaving the twigs and grasses and vines of some plants. Then animal fleece and hair was also weaved together, and people started using these for wearing. Thereafter, they started growing cotton and flax near these rivers. They started growing the cotton and flax plant, which are fiber producing plants. But that time people used to wear unstitched clothes. Means whatever clothes were made, they were not stitched, because invention of sewing machine or sewing needle was not done by that time. So unstitched clothes were just like that, draped on the body, and in India, lungi and turban was used, while in the western countries some clothes like scarf, veils, gowns, these were worn by the people. Then invention of sewing needle was done. When invention of sewing needle occurred, then stitched clothes were used. They started wearing, people started wearing because they were made by them. So all these parts, like you should have understood by now what is the history of clothing. How clothing started, means how clothes were made, what were first used, and then later on how the development in fabrics happened. Because by now I hope from my videos you may be knowing how this fiber is made, from where it is produced, or which plants produce the fiber. Where mainly we have studied about cotton and jute, and then from fiber how we can get the fabric, what are the process, that is first fiber spinning is done, and thereafter weaving of the fiber is done. By spinning we get the yarn is woven to get the fabric. In weaving also we studied about knitting and weaving, and we compared between them. So now you should know about the history of clothing material. So I hope by this class you might have understood what is the history, how man started wearing the stitched clothes, and what were the draped clothes, and still now people are wearing these draped clothes, like lungi and turban are being worn in India, and in the western countries these scarves and veils are still now worn. But moreover now we have started the textile industries there, so we have started wearing the ready-made clothes, which are easily available in the market at a cheaper rate. So you can do some questions based on that, like ma'am has shown you here some questions like this. Different questions are available in the NCERT book, plus you can do some questions from your NCERT exemplar book. So I hope the video was informative for you. So you can subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more and more videos related to your course of science, maths and English. Thank you.